Top 5 Ways to Control Cost for Custom Software Development. I want to reduce my software product development cost. Is this the question bothering you for long? We know that in today's challenging economy, it's even more critical to extend software product development capacity and keep innovating, while further reducing the overall cost of development. Some companies will add capacity in lower-cost regions of the world. Others will make the teams they have more efficient. We want what you want. Having said that, outsourcing your requirements to one offshore company is the ultimate and sure-shot solution that would reduce a lot of your spending on your software project. But that's not all. There are other factors that can also be managed to manage the cost. Confused? What can that be? Well, fret not. We are listing top 5 tips that would help you in reducing your software development cost. 1. Focus on well-documented functional requirements. Without well-documented functional requirements, there is potential for a system to be delivered which does not meet the customer's expectations. For example, perhaps it does not work as they believe it should. Even though the development team believe that they have worked in line with the requirements as documented. This can lead to development rework, which is likely to delay the release, increase costs, and create discord between the customer and the software team. 2. Ensure all non-functional requirements are clearly defined early. Many organizations focus solely on the functional aspect of systems - what it does, rather than the non-functional - how it does it. Non-functional elements comprise everything from performance to security to usability. Without clear, early definition of non-functional requirements, it is possible that a system could be delivered which does exactly what the customer wants, but is difficult to use, slow, insecure, unreliable, or is not scalable. Once again, this can lead to development rework. Although some non-functional areas are so integral to the design of the product, it can be difficult to correct them without starting the project again. Three. Ensure change control procedures are in place. Without change control, system development can find itself in an uncertain and constantly changing state. For example, development may be initially performed against what is believed to be the final version of a requirements document. However, more changes might be made to the requirements whilst development continues, each change without a proper impact assessment. As there is no procedure for consulting with or informing development of the changes, it may not be the case that the knowledge of the changes is passed on in a timely fashion. 4. Ensure strict configuration management is in place for code, data and documentation. Without configuration management, a high quality of testing is impossible. This is because there cannot be high levels of confidence that the right version of the software or documentation is being tested, or that the right version will be released to the customer. 5. Focus quality approach on product risks. Focus on preventing rather than detecting defects. It has been proven many times that the later in the software development life cycle that a defect is found, the more costly it is to rectify it. For example, Correcting a mistake in a requirements document before development begins is a far quicker and cheaper activity than correcting the software after it has been developed against the faulty requirements document. Conclusion: for everything else, gear up and be on your toes to face it and win it.